industries and sectors which flourished during pandemic. Medical demand for medicines like paracetamol, remdesivir, sanitizers, masks were all-time high.
Liquor. There was an unbelievable soar in consumer all around the globe for alcoholic beverage.
E-commerce. Online shopping apps like Amazon, Flipkart, JioMart bloomed even during the lockdown.
Stock market. The prices of stock fell all across the world, thus giving an open invitation to long-term investors. Impact on education sector. Students' education was adversely affected as schools were closed, only online classes were held and many people were unable to afford that. Students of class 10th and 12th were passed without examinations. Admissions in colleges have been declined.
Hindrances faced due to COVID-19. Indian economy contracted by 7.3% in the fiscal year 2020-21. Around 10 million migrant workers returned to their native places after the imposition of the lockdown. India's $2.9 trillion economies remained shuttered during the lockdown period except for some essential services and activities.
India's GDP shrank 7.3% in 2020-21. This was the worst performance of Indian economy since independence. The hospitality sector, tourism sector, aviation, travel sector, automobile sector, real estate and construction sector, which contribute a large portion of India's annual GDP, faced great decline due to which many people lost their jobs.
More than 3 crore COVID-19 cases have been recorded across the country since March 2020. More than 4 lakh people died.
Hope is medicine for a soul that's sick and tired. Eric Swanson.
As Swami Vivekananda quoted, every nation has a message to deliver, a mission to fulfill, a destiny to reach. The message of India has been to guide humanity.